Bit Solution Studios.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
How do I write the exams tomorrow? I didn't get the money, and then the 56 I sent him was everything I had on me.
Relax.
How do I write the exams? Tell me how.
Should I go to the ATM tomorrow? I'm sure
I need the money tomorrow morning. The exam is tomorrow morning. How do I write the exams?
Can't you start? I mean, we can pay you to start and
Without paying for the fees?
Or then again, you can just miss maybe the first one.
Fine. Just call your friend and tell him to resend the money back to me because that's everything I have on me.
I just called him. He heard what he said.
Just give it a try. Call him and tell him to send me back the money. Please.
I called him and then he says he's not going to
Call
send
him
money.
again.
See? Oh, but you to relax here. Oh, see, trying, see, just send me the 15. Why? I beg you, me yes, see, I very urgent. See, 15, I'm sending my see, and them patch up and send no man back one patch up. Why?
You understand? I don't know. I don't need your person to see man. Come and see what just happened to me.
Then I told, see, then I told.
Me Confion, you see, ice is far by my honor. I believe to me, they will make it's 50. No, I feel like because making it cabet. I should be 17 a bed, 100 or 8 a bed, 50 billion. You don't tell me one for yeah. I don't have any money.
See, send the 15, mommy. See, I'm sending my 5 minutes grand by. Oh, I need the money. Then I'll hear.
I'm say, me not perform cooking. I bring you say ISIS. I make them more. I say I'm a laptop snake.
Just
I'm going to be and the 15 I cannot. But the position first. Never please, never try 100 horse. Never give me 60 billion. Them they are talking them one. How will send them give you?
See, I call you the talk serious matter. I'll catch him in a 60 billion 100 or say 59 so crowd.
ISIS to me, my man. Huh?
What ISIS they do for you? They give me story. Give me the money back. Who my story?
ISIS have come to me. 15 I'm using and I don't have any money. Bye-bye, maybe, but
Can we just wait till morning? I'll help you in the morning. Okay? Mm-hmm. So I have another friend I could borrow from. Yeah, I just remembered I have another friend I can borrow from. So he lives about 2 towns away, so I'll just go and check on him. Probably get the loan for you. Is that cool? Hello, Naya. I want to get you the loan.
I've heard you.
But I still don't have cash. Yeah, I'll need to pick a car. Can I get 30? Please.
Okay. Can you pass me my bag?
Thank you. Be
What
right
time
back,
would
okay?
you be back?
Give me like 30 minutes, okay?
30 minutes is too much. Be here in 20 minutes. Whew, I hope he gets the money. Why is he draining me?
Guy,
The level he play.
that be all.
He play.
That be all.
See,
I said, I'm catch it.
me change the messages and say Fidelity Bank and I throw on
Error. Won't mean if you're on your network.
I'm not crying, no believe I'm still then they won't make a fine solution.
Like how?
Share. Dimmy man, another vibe said, party view. Mokako has a meeting here. Now, once I'm topping me up into me 30 seconds, it's all the cow.
Uchi, and no big deal. Where only you say, ah, you see, I dear best son or better when you're working kind of human.
But 50, no 50. I don't know, I expect 500. How they are least to them
50 better.
50 now.
Oh, now we'll lie better.
Me send them out.
Yeah, so style now, you know, I am a gown. Sound your marketing, could you see me now? We are a gown. Into open format, I'm a dear moon, you know. We'll say claims them for 15 amount. I don't know, yes, sir.
Me say, Miss Angie, 30 cents come down from.
And you know, Yawa, Opa, Okwan watcher and say, Nipananka will be just gone on. Or by a soup, your bob fro, or be keep you waiting at the best son or better, knowing your work, you man. A simple move.
Massa, this is me betting me play on.
A bet and yes, bit me a plue, a fat. Okwan also catching a Nipana be just getting a one when you honor into your own train. I guess I want to mean call, or better, or die a sick or bed no, or barber show chain. No, why a human. A simple like Anna.
Or the another format, right?
Or the another format Tibano frame. We see we need a plan B or the format for bar flame plan C or
Plan CBC.
just I mean a Confion a 24 and beyond a heat Adrinegua a mind cowl.
Charlie.
Yeah, one side we are set here, mammy, or say, me call whiny free hunt, you know. Me refi my cooking can
Down. That's good.
It is a refi,
Well, then,
because I be on one side.
One be that.
I have from you.
Bad guy.
I have from you. Why? Yeah, I have from you more. Why? Be on one side.
Only you can make me feel.
Hey,
Yes.
you got the money?
I couldn't. I had a little issue out there. So I go to my friend's place and the door's locked. And the lights are on inside, so I don't know, maybe he's asleep or something. I've been calling him, he's not picking through, so.
I only asked you a simple question. Did you get that money?
And I'm explaining to you why I didn't get the money. I go to his place and he's probably asleep because the door is locked and the lights are on. So we just have to wait till morning, that's all.
Do you realize you've been giving me stories over stories like, okay, fine. Don't shut up. Let me just pack out. What am I doing here?
Pack out for what? I'm telling you exactly what happened. What do you mean? Wait. Come back. Relax. 10 p.m. You won't get a car. You know how my area is already.
I'll get both.
Networking here is not good. Don't force it. Just relax. We can sort it out in the morning.
So what hours in the morning?
Whatever-
Something you couldn't
whatever.
solve within the whole day?
Because there's limited time tonight.
Oh.
I could do something in the morning, so
I can get the things done on my own. Let me just...
it's not safe for you to go out now. I don't want you to go and end up in another situation.
I can take care of myself.
Hey, you didn't come here late, okay? I can't let you go this time. At least that's even if you want to sleep on the couch, I'll permit that. Fine. You can't just storm out because I couldn't help you. Huh? Please.
Can I go now?
I'm not allowing you to go. How many times do you want me to tell you? I won't let you go.
Is your main door locked?
Hey, go. Listen. Listen. You spend the night, in the morning we'll figure it out and then we can leave.
I'm not sleeping over.
I'm not allowing you to go either, so you might as well start. Hey. Are we going to stand here all night?
Looks like it.
Okay. Okay. Can you please stay the night and leave in the morning? Please. If not for anything, just for your safety.
I told you I'll be safe. You don't have to worry about
Me,
me.
I'm not
Let me just
going to
go.
buy into that. That's what I'm saying. If you want your distance, fine, I'll allow you to sleep here. But you're not going out tonight. So if you want to sleep here, just let me know, then I'll let you be.
I told you I'm not sleeping over. So just allow me to sleep.
Listen, I've told how many times do I have to tell you? Okay, let me go and lock the door, then you know that I'm not going to leave.
For real? Why are you taking my bag?
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
It's me.
Hi, Joy. I'm that showed.
That one.
Yeah.
Oh, my new girl. That's
Hey, the hot boy.
that's my new girl. What's up?
Oh, she's nice. Very
Really?
beautiful, yeah.
Thank you.
So she's the reason why anytime condoms.
The condom.
Condoms.
Oh, I tease you.
Oh, I'm not teasing
And I'm
you.
protecting myself.
Oh
so-
yeah, it's
Oh,
good.
it's
It's
good,
good. Yeah. Okay.
How's business?
Cool.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Alright. So I'm going home. I'll see
So
you
I'm
later.
going. All right.
And
Take care.
See you.
All right.